Ho, 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 and Merry Christmas! Oh my goodness! Merry Christmas, y'all! It is Christmas Day here on the channel. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and I'm wishing you the warmest, merriest Christmas ever! Oh my goodness, y'all. First of all, I just have to say thank you so very much tuning in every day for 25 days for this Advent Calendar series. It means the absolute world. Now, from the start, this big box had my mind aflutter, and I was just wondering, what's in the box? It was so hard to wait, but on Christmas Eve, I was literally just bouncing with excitement because I knew it was only one sleep and I'd be able to see what's in day 25. So let's see what Madam Glam put under the Christmas tree for us for day 25. So already with the Cali lamp, they had me absolutely shook. So in this big, oh my gosh, that's a card game. Okay, I'm losing it, y'all. I am literally doing all of the dances right now. Okay, I just need to gather my words, but I am so very excited because I have never been able to play, like physically with my own hands, a nail card game. Now, my beautiful sisters have pulled cards from the Dr. Prince manicure roulette, so I've gotten to play virtually, but I've never gotten to play a nail card game. I am so excited. Okay, so let's get her opened up and let's read the rules and see these beautiful cards. Madam Glam, this is genius. I am so excited. Okay, so let's read these rules here. So it says, nail it, cards game. We're sure that you have been in a situation of not knowing what else to create. Don't worry, we have been there. We're here to tell you that this deck of cards is a game changer. Whenever you feel less inspired, take out Nail It card game and start to play with it. The deck of cards is divided into 4 sections. You will have 14 color palettes, 13 element cards, 8 shape cards, and 4 accent cards. Divide the cards into sections and pick one from each and every deck. And create something unique every time. We guarantee this card game will instantaneously become your best friend. Moreover, it will boost your creativity and help you grow as a nail artist. Get out of here, it says. What are you waiting for? Unwrap the cards and start playing with them. So it starts off with accent cards, which honestly, I could also use these as the base color cards because the silver, chrome, rose gold, gold, and glitter, girl, that could be a whole thing. But I also love that they break down into color palettes as well. So we've all had moments where we're less inspired, maybe we're doing a lot of nail content, or you just have so many goodies to play with. It's kind of overwhelming sometimes. So just being able to grab these and have a different color story per card is insane. And as you see, there's bright pastels, beautiful rainbow of colors, neutrals, nudes, like matte babies, and I love that it's like the makeup swatch smear on each card. I think that is so stinking cute. I can't get over how beautiful these cards are. Honestly, through all like this year, they've been doing the house ups. And even beautiful Priya, I was chit-chatting with all the Charm sisters, and Priya was saying that, you know, I wonder if they'd ever come out with a card game because, you know, they've been talking about the tarot and the fates and all of that magic throughout this year with all the collections. Well, they like are leaving 2023 with a bang. And these shape cards, I'm freaking out. I want all of the stiletto and almonds. Like, I'll probably pull a card and be like, nope, nope, let's pull another one. They even have element cards, which I think are so stinking precious for nail art inspo. I just think this is such a great idea. And I also love, like, Madam Glam has taken a nod to the original creator, which is Dr. Prince. They were the original ones to do the nail tarot game. And I think it's so amazing because they have featured like multiple videos of different artists using Dr. Prince card game. So the fact that they've given the nod to them as the OGs and now that they've created their own card game, I am losing it. And how stinking precious are some of these element cards? Are you kidding me? And as soon as I saw this, my heart started singing because, Madam Glam, New York. So the fact they have like a New York themed card, I thought was so stinking precious. But literally, they have like their theme cards, the color story cards, your shape cards, and then accents. And there could even be expansions and things like that that are directly themed with, the holidays or, under the water magic. Like, I would love to see a mermaid deck. That would just be everything. So right now, I am doing my best oracle, and I am quickly shuffling all of these so we can do a mock demo of what it would be like to play with these cards. Now, Madam Glam, you seriously have thought of it all. And now I'm going to see what the fates have in store. So first up, I'm like, ooh, we are going to be selecting the shape. Now I'm going to pretend like I am, because I already have a completely bare hand here. So if I was doing a mani, let's just select and see what's in store. So the moment I saw this square oval, I was like, so this is going to have to be a nailed it. Because I am not changing the shape of my natural nails right now. Or I could definitely do some peel off base coat. But this is where my heart just started singing. So I really think that I am channeling the advent calendar right now, and all of the themes of the calendar with the royal blues and the rose golds. You see, and New York, which is all things Madam Glam, the house of Madam Glam. So I'm giggling right now because I clearly, I went right in. So I've always teased that I have some kind of psychic abilities. Definitely not as strong as they could be, but I'm also very scared because, I used to see a lot of things when I was a child. So I have like a healthy fear of like the spirit realm, but I'm also like really interested in it. So I guess I use my powers here to invoke the advent calendar magic. So I'll definitely do a nailed it with these picks, but I actually would love to do like a different drawing, if you will, and do a full set from whatever we grab. So I'll definitely do a nailed it out of that goodie, the goodie cards that we just grabbed. But I definitely want to do another one where we pull, and hopefully I'll be able to pull my stiletto. And then we'll go from there with all of the theme cards and the color palettes. I'm just so excited. Like, Madam Glam, this 2023 advent calendar has been so very special, and I'm getting emotional because like this brought so much holiday joy to this festive season, and it literally made every day feel like it was Christmas. And to finish this off now with a game just makes me so emotional, because the very first advent calendar that my partner got for me, it actually had a game that there was dice. So on the 26th day, there was a box that you could open. And that's why all of my series have always had 26 days. But you could open this and it had wooden dice. And you would just roll your die and go through the game board. But personally, they have stepped up 3 years later in creating a whole card game. I'm losing it. I love this idea, and I cannot wait to make so many beautiful sets with it. Madam Glam, thank you. Thank you for making this holiday season so very special. And my beautiful nail family, I really hope you've loved this series. I've poured my heart and soul into this, but this series ain't over. We always do a day 26. So definitely come on over for tomorrow because we are going to do a review, play with these goodies, maybe even play with this card game, y'all. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. But I've got to say, Merry Christmas, sweetheart. I am sending you so much love. And thank you for all of the love and support in 2023. I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching.